Hi, this is Tom Matson, and what you are going to see here is the new look from Teleprompter Pro version 2.5, which we will be releasing here in the next few days. This video here is going to be the first of a number of short tutorials. We're going to try to break them up into smaller segments, and this is basically just going to be covering a changelog. What has happened, what's changed in version 2.5. As you can see from looking at the screen, we have a new login screen, a new access screen, if you will. We have eliminated the need to use either an htaccess file for protection or for you to have to go through and figure out how to password protect your Teleprompter Pro online installation. So this step here takes care of that for you. As well as that, we've added a couple of new user interface color schemes for you. We have colors honeycomb and classic, and then we have streamlined the content containers. And what we have done there is two things. We've added some new shortcodes for the 6 headline styles. We've also collapsed the multiple content containers into one container. And because we've added the new shortcodes for the 6 headline styles, we've removed the extra steps needed for the text box element drop-down selections, where before you would need to select whether or not this was going to be an H1 style content, or it's H2 style content, or the 3rd headline style content, the 4th, the 5th, 6th, or if it's paragraph style content. So now you just put everything into the container, the text box container, and use the shortcodes if you want to use one of the different headline styles. We've also fixed a couple of minor CSS display issues that we discovered after we released the last update. And what probably one of the big updates for people who use right to left languages is that we've added an auto detect feature, so that it will determine when you're typing in information or pasting in your content into the text containers on the options page, it's going to auto detect whether this is left to right language or right to left language. It's going to determine that from the first characters you enter. And this also is going to carry over onto the teleprompter screen as it's scrolling your message. It's the same thing is going to apply. So whatever the first character is, if you are using a character from a right to left language, then it's going to display right to left. Likewise, if the default is been left to right, if you're just typing in an ABC or something that would be coming from one of the Latin or left to right languages, then it's going to display as left to right. So that's pretty much how that part of it works there. I'm going to cut this short right here because that's all this is. This short little video here is just a changelog to tell you about some of the updates in version 2.5. We're going to pick this up and we're going to have several different short tutorials to talk about all the different functions and features that you're going to find in Teleprompter Pro version 2.5.